So hey guys, what's up? I am at Film House Cinema. I'm here to watch Black Panther. I've not actually watched it. I have not. So I don't know. I'm not pimped. I'm not pumped. I don't like. Let me just see because everybody's raving and everything. Anyway, this is Stephanie. Let me just say hi, hi, hi. Anyway, I'll try to see because I think my first time actually watching a movie in school. Because okay, wait, come on. Okay, so at Film House, and let's just go and see the movie. I'm going to tell you guys how I feel later. I'm going to I'm going to tell you guys what I think about Black Panther later. Okay? So I don't know why I'm talking like this. I'll see you guys after everything. Okay? Bye. Look how I walk. I hope I don't feel so cold later on. But it's fine. I love their interior, everything. It's fine. It looks like ICM in Lagos, but ICM is dark. It's darker than like it's painted black. Yeah. So that was it, guys. Bye. So guys, I don't know. We are waiting. We're supposed to enter now, and oh, we're going to just go enter now because by 6 we don't want to just be waiting and everything. All right, guys. See you when we get there. Bye. People are looking at me. So guys, we are done with the movie. Like, Chineke, this slippers is kind of a death trap. We are done. It's so late. When I get back home, I'm going to give you guys the my take on the movie. Like, I was not so pumped, but it was great. It was really good. It was really great and nice. Like,
You're not so pumped.
I love the fact that they gave the proper. I love the way they kind of honored the memory of Chadwick in this movie. Like, it's crazy. The movie was, I can't explain to you. I can't like really explain to you guys what I feel about the movie. Like, until you see it, like there's no way I'll give it. There's no how I'll be able to like tell you guys how this movie really. I don't know. You should see this movie. Like, it's crazy. I don't know where we first. Yeah, here. Alright, guys. When I get home, I'll see you guys. Bye.
Barefoot, barefoot, take off your